Hi everyone, my name is Teju and I'm on the product marketing team here at Axonius. In this video, we'll cover the Axonius AI Agent. And now to get started, what is the Axonius AI Agent? We like to think of it as your AI native asset intelligence partner. With the Axonius AI Agent, users with any level of Axonius expertise can better understand their environment across coverage gaps, exposures, misconfigured SaaS applications, or if you just want to better understand how to use Axonius, the agent can help with that as well. So let's take a look at what the agent can do for us. Now, with the Axonius AI Agent, we have some out-of-box recommendations and suggested prompts to help users with getting started. We can see here that we have categories across coverage, identities, vulnerabilities, and more. And with each of these categories, we have a catalog of suggested prompts, again, to help you get started. Now for me, I would like to go back into the coverage prompts, and I want to get a full coverage report for my security tools to better understand what my EDR coverage looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and kick that off here. Now, as I've kicked that off, we can take a look at how the Axonius AI Agent goes about doing this. First, it's going to route this question over to our Asset Explorer specialist, which has full context about our environment. Now, in this scenario, it needs to better understand which security tool I actually want to analyze. I want to better analyze CrowdStrike Falcon because that's the most prominent one in my environment, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that here. From there, the agent is going to continue with its thought process. Now, all of this is done in natural language, but there's always our Axonius query language that's running in the background. And if you do want to take a look at that Axonius query language, you can choose to open our asset inventory page where you can see the query wizard that's running in the AI agent, as well as all of the associated devices with that query. So now back to the Axonius agent, we can see that it's wrapping up this question and prompt for us. And it's now given me this full CrowdStrike coverage report. In this environment, we have 11,000 active devices that have been seen in at least the last 30 days. We can see here in this environment that 700 of those devices have CrowdStrike, about 11,000 don't. None of the devices that have CrowdStrike are broken, so that's great. All of them are reporting back, and we have 2 that are headless agents. Now, with that summary, it also gives me key findings. As you can see here, coverage in this environment isn't looking great. It's only at 6%, so that's something that I definitely want to get remediated. It shows me the query that it used to run this, and it asks me what I want to do next. Do I want to see what those headless devices are? Do I want to segment those 11,000 devices? Or I can add my own prompt here, like who owns the devices that do not have agents. So there's some flexibility on what I want to do next. So that covers the Axonius AI Agent and its capabilities. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.